Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem when you have internet connection but you cannot browse Google Chrome or use Google Play Store on your OnePlus Nord 2T. So in order to do this, I've opened a browser. Now let's try going to, for example, YouTube. And as you can see, the website won't load. The same will be with Google Play Store, because if we open any app, there's something wrong. Now in order to fix this, we'll need to move to our settings, scroll all the way down and find the system. Now move to the date and time and enable set time automatically. Now if we go back to the Google Chrome, reload that same page, it works without any problem, we can open the website. And now let's check the Google Play Store. And as you can see, apps load normally now. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.